let's start and make one. Let's just say that we're going to make one. We're going to go 2x plus 3, and then simply on the back here, x plus 1. So we're going to do all the same things. First, outer, inner, last. 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. Very easy to make that. So we reduce it down to simplest terms. 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Now from this point here, you would say if you were starting with this equation by itself, and you didn't see this equation right here, if you didn't know that that was there, what would you do to this to get to that answer? How would you factor it? How would you undo it to its separated terms like that? And the same answer is, what is this multiply to, and what does it add to? And you fill in that answer. What is it multiplied to? 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And add to 5. What is that set of digits? We already know, because we made it, that it's the 2x and the 3x. But if you didn't, you'd have to trial and error a little bit, just in your own head. You'd say, well, there's 6 times 1 is 6, and 2 times 3, so you've narrowed it down to 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So pretty simply, that's what you get. Now, that tears this in half. This splits this to 2x. That should be 3 right there. That should be 3. Plus 3x plus 3. And this is 2x squared. Now, immediately, you can see the stuff that starts to come out of these. So first, we're taking out a 2x on this side. Leaves an x, because there was an x squared, there's one x left, plus 1. And on this side, it takes out a 3. Remember, there's a plus here. And an x plus 1. So again, we see this duplication. And like I said before, this duplication means that treat this just like it's 1x and treat this like it's 1x. So if you had something like 2xy plus 3y, you can just take the y's out. So you can take the y out and then leave the 2x plus 3 by distribution. That's what these are by themselves. They're their own single variable. So we have the x plus 3 comes out by itself. Even though I'm writing this in backwards, you could easily write this 2x plus 3 times y. The order between going this way or going this way doesn't matter with multiplication. So in my head, I'm writing this x plus 1 on the back side here because it's on this back side here, and then 2x plus 3 on this side. And that is how you unravel or undo one of these more complicated problems, set of terms, two terms, when this is bigger than 1.